Hi there, my name is Usama. I'm going to demonstrate in this video how to update calendars in WordPress. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress account. Once you log into your WordPress account, you can see in the right side you can see there is a menu bar with the customizing features, and right side the information. So in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate with you how to add events into the calendars. So let's move to the scroll this down a little bit. You can see there is a button called calendars under the WP security, and set in the here this part you can see there is a button called calendar. Click on it. Once you click that one, you can see there will be 3 categories under that one: manage calendar, manage categories, and calendar options. So first of all, I'm going to demonstrate with you how to add an event. So in this case you can see there is event title, event description, and event categories, and event link, start date and end date, and the time. This time is this time here you can keep this space blank if you want. This means the particular event is going to be held from this GMT's time 0, from this GMT zeros, how many hours ahead that particular event is going to be held. So I'm not going to say anything about this time for now. So this after that you can see there's a repeat for this what we call the repeating means the particular event, how many times you need to repeat. It means like how many weeks you need to repeat that one. The particular event need to repeat for 1 week, or the particular date in the months, how many months you need to repeat the same events, and how many years. That's you can select this, customize that one. And also you can see under this one you can see there is the already added events they are into the calendars. You can add this one through this button, and you can simply delete this event. So before I'm moving to that event, adding an event, I'm going to load my website. This is the website that I'm going to customize. This is the calendar page in that particular website. So you can see there are lots of events that have been already added to this calendar. If you move your cursor to this, it will show the description. And first of all, I'm going to give a title to this event: testing this event in YouTube. No sense, but just bear with me. Testing, just again like this. Okay, it's okay, just leave this. For now I'm going to leave this space, event category, and I'm going to move to the down. This event link, the particular event link is all about, if you give a link like this, http://www.google.com, after you're saving this event, your event will be appears in the calendar. And then if you give there, if you gave any link over here, that particular event will redirect the user to that link. If I click this link, it will redirect you to that particular link. So in this particular case, I'm not going to give any redirect links, so I'm just going to keep it as it is blank. So I'm going to give a date 20. It's going to end in 20th. So I'm going to keep this place. I'm not going to give a timeline, so I'm going to keep this as a blank. And also I'm not going to repeat this event for now, so I'm going to save this. Okay, saved. So it's loading. Yeah, it is loaded. The event added successfully. That event has been added to this event list. So you can see that I have added this event in this. Start date is this, and the title is this, and the start date is this, and the end date is this. And also I'm not going I didn't give any timeline to that particular event, and also I'm not going to repeat this event. The author is admin, I think that me. So the categories is general, so you can edit this one or delete this event. So I'm going to check this event in this my calendar. So I'm going to reload this page again. So yeah, okay. Yeah, here is the this is the event that I have added to this calendar. You can see the title over here, testing this event in YouTube. If you move your cursor to this, it will show the description below down, testing. So if you click this one, it won't redirect you, because I didn't give any link on there under the event link. So now I'm going to delete this event, the testing event in this calendar. Yeah, okay. And again I'm going to delete another one also. It's also testing that I have just added to test this calendar. It's loading. The connection in my internet connection is little bit slow today, so that's why it's little bit loading, so bear with me. Yeah, you can see that event deleted successfully. And also just keep like this. I'm going to add another event called YouTube testing calendar. So is this so just I give like this, just going to keep like that. And also now I'm going to give a link here, http www.youtube.com, and I'm going to give a link and the start date as 13th just I keep 21, end date also, end date is I'm going to put here 23. So the event going to be started at 21 and it's going to be end in 23. So I'm not going to give any timeline here because this testing purpose. So I'm going to repeat this one for the days in the month only 2. So I'm going to save this event. Okay, event added. So I'm going to reload this calendar page again so we can check whether it is added or not. I have added this one into 121 to 23, right? So I think the calendar is loading. Here it is. It's going to add the testing this event in YouTube. Okay. And I'm going to check the title again here so I can verify. YouTube testing calendar. Sorry, it's loading. Give me a second. I just reload the page again. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, here it is. You can see I have added the new event, YouTube testing calendars. It is starting from 21 and it's ending in 23, and if you click this one it will redirect you to the YouTube. So I'm going to click back to the calendar. Yes, here it is. So it's loading. Just I'm going to close this one because I don't need this, and close means I'm not closing the tab, and just I cancel the loading from the internet, so this page will be with speed. So here also this one, and delete this and this. So here it is, the calendar has been loaded. So I'm going to move to the next month over here. If you move to next month, you can see that repeating things in here. I told the calendar to repeat it several times, so in this month also it is repeating. Here you can see the particular event is starting from 21 and it's ending in 23, and if you click this one it will redirect to that particular link. So again I'm going to show you the categories over here. You can categorize your event according to the categorized event. So first of all I'm going to create another category. So if you need to create a category, you need to go to manage category. So I'm going to click this one, right click, open in new tab, so I can use both of this page. Oops. So you can see these are the events that calendar already has. This is the last event that I have added to that particular calendar, YouTube testing calendars, and then it's starting from this date and ending from this date. I didn't give any timeline, and it is repeating monthly according to the date, and then repeat 2 times because I gave to repeat 2 times. So this is the author, it's me, the admin, and then categorize is general, and you can edit or delete this particular event. So I'm going to tell you what is the categories means. The category is here, you can give any categories like sport or else education. I'm going to give like what we call study, and I'm going to select a color to the categorize. So if I need to give a color in this categorize, I need to select a categories in hexadecimal. So I'm going to Google to find a hexadecimal color range. Google, .com. Just type color codes. Click enter. You can see there will be so many websites for the hexadecimal color code. Just I'm picking the first one, the new tab, and then you can see here lots of color ranges there. If I need to give a green color for that particular, I just select the green color you can make it I'm going to make it a little bit dark, and you can select dark or light. So if this is the particular color that I need, I can copy this. Here you can copy this, or this one. This I'm going to copy this hexadecimal unit, and I'm going to paste it from here. So I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to save this category. Okay, here now I have three categories: general, test, and study. So I'm going to create an event now again. So I'm going to move manage calendar. So I'm going to give after ending just type it like this. Category testing events. Just I vote like this for the testing purpose. So I'm going to select this study category. You means if you need to categorize it under the study, learning, something like this, and then if you need to another category like playing, so you can give a playing under the category. You can categorize the playing things and all these events you are going to organized. So I'm not going to give any links, and just I'm going to give a date 15th, and ending date also 15th. Also I'm not going to give the time, and I'm not going to repeat it. If I select this day, this means the date means it picks this date, the particular date, and it will repeat how many times. If I gave this day, it will pick the day, means the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it will pick the date and repeat it. If you select the years, it will ask how many years you need to repeat. So I'm not going to give anything, so I'm going to keep it none, and this time is blank, and I'm going to save the event. Okay, the event has been saved now. So I'm going to reload my calendar page again. Yeah, the calendar page is reloaded. So oh, I have added this in January, so I'm going to move to January now. Sorry, it is February that we have selected now, so I'm going to move previous month. So give me a second, it's loading. Just I'm going to ensure yes, here this is the date 2015 and January 21, and it is ending in 23 or sorry, this is not that event. Here the green color one. After editing cat, okay, it's going to start date January 15th, and January is ending on January 15th. Never repeating, never done anything, only the event is there. If there is no even the relative link even though. So yeah, it's I think it's got that link. So give me a second, it will be right now. It's taking a little bit down, so I need to cancel this one. So the signal strength goes to this tab. So I'm going to select January 2015 and I'm going to hit the go again. So it's loaded now. Yes. Okay. Give me a second. After adding a cat, it shows here, but it didn't change the color. So I'm going to check what it is. Yeah. So to check the options, I'm going to calendar options to check whether the option is enabled or disabled. And here you can see, did you want to display the author name on the event? No. The choose the author is administrator, and then display the jump box for changing months. Okay, it's yes. Display today's event, yes. Display upcoming events, yes, for 7 days. And enable event categories. Yeah, I didn't put that event categories as a yes, so I'm going to enable this one now. So I'm going to save it again. And then settings are saved, so I'm going to reload this page again. While it's reloading time, I'm going to explain a little bit more in this one. Through this you can customize your settings in this calendar, whether you need to display the author name or not, and then changing the month, just the year, quickly changing the month and years. Jump box, this is the jump box over here. You can disable or enable that particular thing, and also you can put the display upcoming events for 7 days, so you can increase the date or something. And here you can see if you have some coding, CSS coding to add, or you need to put borders, or you need to put background pictures, or the calendar you can put through the CSS coding. Using this one you can customize the CSS coding. For these tutorials I'm not going to customize any CSS coding, so just I save this one. Now you can take a look of this particular event. Yeah, here you can see the all other events are just category in this general category. You can see this one over here all other events are under the general category, and the color is the butter color, sorry, little bit yellow, so sorry. And then you can see the yellows are there, and this particular event I have create on this 15th, it is green, so it is under the study category. Even the users can see what are these categories are here in the downside. If they scroll it down, the names with the colors, green means study, and the gray means test, sorry, the yellow means general. So if you click this one, it is not going to redirect because I didn't give any link of there. So that's all to adding the events and the deleting the events and the customizing the categories, and then calendar options. If you need to cancel, if you need to delete any categories, just go to manage categories, and then you can see the already added categories, and then you can edit and delete these categories. So for now I'm going to delete this one, yes, and this one, yes, and I'm going to keep only one category for now, yes. And also I'm not going to put these categories appears in the calendar, so I don't need to appears this one because I'm not going to keep the categories again. So I'm giving here no, so save here. Okay, and then I'm going to reload this page. You can see the changes. While it's loading time, I'm going to delete this event, so you can see how delete, just give the delete. Yes, that's all. Okay, this calendar is loading, so I don't need this testing also, so I'm going to delete this part after. Yeah, okay. And after editing the cat also, I don't need this part also even, so I'm going to delete this one also as well. So I'm going to delete after editing colors also. So yeah, okay. I'm going to reload this page again because the connection is slow. That's why it's loading. So cancel it again, and again I'm reloading. Sorry for this delete. I can't do anything because of the connection. Gets loading. Yeah, you can see the changes. It is not there, and even the, you can see there are some testing events are there. Testing event 10. Yeah, I'm going to test that and see whether where is the 10th testing event is deployment. Yeah, 15th, and I don't need this one. It's the 14th, so it won't appear here. 15 events. Yeah, I have got 3 more testing, so I'm going to delete this one. And also that's it for this tutorials. So bye bye until next time. Thank you for watching.